beautiful. It's your time to shine. Hands, heart, let's make it fine. We're glowing bright, creating something new. Come along, let's build this glow with you. Blow up your hair, craft with your soul, DIY your dreams, make the whole household. Decor your space, live that lifestyle glow. You got the magic, now let it show. We go and create. Every day is a new slate. Hell's a jewelry you'll slay. Craft table play, home looks like heaven. That's the vibe today. This braid curls popping like fire. Quick wash day win, watch your confidence higher. Protective styles, edges laid just right. You're not just doing hair, you're owning the light. Natural weave low, so that fresh cut glow. Hair is your crown, wear it, let it show. Yeah. Glue gun ready, beads and ribbons fly. Turn old jars to gold, watch the magic multiply. Pillow, pillows popping, walls getting that vibe. Shelfies so clean, make your space come alive. Budget-friendly hacks, no stress, just fun. Candle melts, macrame done, you already won. From kitchen glow up to cozy corner dreams, your home tells your story louder than it seems. Whether you're busy or taking it slow, this lifestyle's for you. Create it free and whole. You create beauty every single time. No limits here, just joy in every line. We're not just dreaming, we're doing it too. Hair, crafts, decor, and the best version of you. Go up your hair, craft with your soul, DIY your dreams, make the whole household. Decor your space, live that lifestyle glow. You got the magic, now let it show. We glow and create. Every day is a new slate. Hair to do, we'll slay. Craft table play, home looks like heaven. That's the vibe today. Yeah. Keep shining, keep making. Let's glow and create together. This version feels more you than lifestyle and timeless. Perfect for any audience while still celebrate exactly what your content is.